Hey guys, Alex Ryan here, welcome back. The question I get asked a lot is, where do you find good products to import from China? So maybe you're looking to start an Amazon business or import from China and you're looking to start this business up online. Where do I go particularly to find these good products? Well, there's a couple of ways, a couple of websites I'll tell you now. If you've got a pen and paper, write them down. Obviously Alibaba is one that I use, that's the biggest, that's like the big, the massive one. You've got AliExpress, which deal mainly in wholesale. I've used AliExpress maybe twice, maybe thrice in the last, probably 2 years, right? I don't use it a whole lot. I use another website, it's not really known a lot. It's called DHgate, dhgate.com. It's a really good website, does a lot of wholesale as well, but you can buy large quantities there. What you do want to make sure, guys, when you are on these websites, make sure that they are legitimate. Look at how long they've been operating for, look at how long they've been in business for, any gold stars. You look at the reviews, whether they're 5-star reviews, whether maybe they're, whether they've got any bad reviews. Look at the products they've sold in the past. Look, and I'll give them a call, find out, have they shipped to your country before? Have they had any problems before? Call them on the phone, speak to them, make sure they have good English. If they have good English, there's a good chance that they've dealt a lot with Westerners, and that's a good sign. When they have no one there that speaks English, then there's a chance that they don't really deal with a lot of Westerners. One more thing I want to cover is it's okay to deal with the middleman. A lot of people are very scared of trading companies, like trading companies. So basically they're a middleman, but don't be afraid. They actually make your life a lot easier. Sometimes it's it's worthwhile paying a bit of extra money to use a middleman. So enjoy today's tip, guys. My name's Alex Ryan. If you want to find out more, visit my website. And share the video, comment below if you find this interesting, or if you know someone that is interested in starting a business importing products from China. So talk to you real soon. See you later.